Okay guys, so this is the number 2. To draw it, make sure that you hold it at the center of the plan and curve the end of the wings up a bit like this, and make a straight draw up to 30 degrees, and let's see how this plane flies. Ooh. Oh well. Oh my gosh. Wow! Wow!
Hi everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. I am Chi, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new simple paper airplane, the number 2. This plane is very easy to make, and it flies very well. And let's start now. First of all, let's fold the paper in half. Oh, by the way, to fold this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, grab an A4 paper. A piece of A4 paper should work, or any type of rectangle printing paper. The thinner the better. So let's fold it in half first. Then unfold the paper. Similar to paper airplane number 1, let's start from this corner, go straight to the center crease and match it to this corner. So that's the whole point. Let's continue doing this. Repeat the same fold for the other side. To do that, just match this corner to this corner and to the edge right here, or the corner right there. So very simple. Just repeat the same fold as we did for the other side. And on the following step, let's start from 4 edges folded to this edge and the edge right here. So very simple. Right here, let's do it. Hold the paper. Fold this. Alright, so this looks just fine. Next step, let's match this edge to the edge below. So I will curve the paper airplane first. Curve. Actually, I curved the paper, not paper airplane. Sorry guys. So match this edge to this side. Okay. Alright, so fold out. Very simple. Right. And on the following step, let's fold this edge to the center crease and use the edge right here as a preference. So just fold like this. I want to have a very strong edge of the wings, so I'll repeat the same fold on this side. Right. And here we go. Now I fold this part up. Fold this part of the paper up. And this is what we have for now, right? This is what we have, and then I'll turn the paper over. Oh, I need to fix it a bit because it's not stay straight. So I fold like this, and this is what we have, right? And then I fold the paper, I flip the paper over, and I adjust the head, and I fold it down. Okay, so this is what we have for now. Let's fold the paper in half. Okay, just fold the paper in half. On the following step, this is very easy. Let's match this edge to the edge below. Okay, when you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flash down, and then flip the paper over and repeat the same fold. And here you go, this is number 2. Alright, are you ready to test it out? Let's do it. Let's fold the paper airplane yourself, test it out, and let me know how it works for you. And finally, thank you for watching and see you next time on the next tutorial. Bye.
So I will tell you, this plane is one of the furthest paper airplane I ever created. Let's test it out one more time. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Are you ready, guys? Now, let's test out number 2 from 3 Dang channel. Wow. Let's try it again.